How many times have you spoken to friends or family who have built a new home and they tell you the story of how they blew their budget? I feel it's a bit like food shopping. There are so many items that you need to get, you're filling up the trolley only to arrive at the checkout to say a few nice words under your breath in shock of how much that you've just spent. Well, the reality is the majority of us know a great deal more about food shopping than we do about building of new homes. But that is expected. But how can you possibly keep in check of your building budget? At least food shopping has the price advertised for every item that you select. Building a new home is one, if not the largest investment that most of us will make, and it's one that you can't afford to get wrong. How do you know what amount to set for site works or what budget is required to finish off your new home? How do you know what kind of home that you get for your budget or how to set a budget for the type of home that you envisage? And why wait to the very end of the entire process to find all of this out? Over my 12 years of experience, I've found that blowing of budgets is the #1 sore spot when it comes to building of a new home. And that is why it's my goal to demystify the burning questions and empower you with all the information that you require. Over the course of an hour, I'm going to present all you need to know of how to set and stick to your new home building budget. Join me for a value-packed session at Homebase in Subi by simply clicking on the link below for further details and secure your spot. I look forward to seeing you there.